Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to talk to you about something that may have been hidden from you. They're called hidden pantries, and you might not even know what that is. You might be like, what the hell are you talking about? A hidden pantry simply is a pantry that is made to blend into the cabinetry. And just in case you don't know, a pantry is a little closet in your kitchen where you store your dry goods on shelves. Simple. But a hidden pantry is it's different from a normal one in that normally a pantry has a door, like an interior door that matches the rest of the doors in your house. A hidden pantry has cabinetry paneling on it, so it just looks like more cabinets. But then it has one big handle typically, and when you pull that handle, whoop, the whole like head height door swings open, and there's actually a pantry in there behind it. And then it can actually lead through into another room. I've seen a lot of people doing that. In fact, an architect who we work with quite a bit designs these into most kitchens that he redesigns now whenever there's space. He'll even bring the kitchen forward a couple feet so that he can create a little room behind the kitchen where you go through and you have now a bunch of storage behind your kitchen. It can be a really cool way to add a bunch of space without having it look like, oh, you've just got cabinets everywhere. So you can keep, if you're looking to do like a modern type feel, you can actually put a hidden pantry behind a full-size panel, still keep a very sleek, simple kitchen. Maybe you're doing no upper cabinets or something like that, that kills a lot of storage space. But if you just put a hidden pantry in behind it, then you can have that, it blends in and you have the storage space that you need. So simply put, a hidden pantry is a pantry that is entered through the cabinets and is hidden by a cabinet panel. Now, if you need help designing a hidden pantry into your kitchen, we do that at Home Love Construction. We do custom kitchen design. We also do custom home design, but we do designing of renovations and custom builds. So one of the things we do the most of is kitchens. When we're doing a whole home renovation, we are always moving or maneuvering or redesigning the kitchen. So I'd love to help you with yours. If you're interested in that, you can go to homelove.construction/design. You can see examples of other kitchen designs we've done. And actually you can look at one where we did a hidden pantry. So you can go check that out again at homelove.construction/design. And if you got some value out of this video about hidden pantries, maybe there's some hidden value in the video, hit the subscribe button below because it does help me out a lot in a non-hidden way. It helps me reach more people, we do more projects, and then we learn more things and we bring them back to you in videos just like this. So hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.